What up, cuz?
What's up, my nigga?
Cuz I know you heard about it, man.
Yeah, man, I heard, man. All I wanna know what the fuck you gonna do it, dog.
Man, I gotta get the fuck about this shit, bro, right now.
You know your cousin Gucci 1000. I'm with you, whatever you trying to do.
Man, I wouldn't even put it on you, but cuz I ain't even got money for a lawyer.
What you saying? They ride or die all day.
About that life? Yeah,
25 to life, but it don't play.
Gauges, dogs, and blossom dope. The heavyweight slipping like soap on a rope. Gauges, dogs, and blossom dope. The heavyweight slipping like soap on a rope. Gauges, dogs, gauges, dogs, gauges, dogs, gauges, dogs, and blossom dope. The heavyweight slipping like soap on a rope.
Ambitious of a rider, if you got the cash. She from South Central, make you spend that cash. I call the old leaders off of hits and hearse. Have a chopper on me, man, the crowd dispersed. And yeah, I recognize it, you can see the game. Painted in my car, it say Bryce Flame. ATL money came up on 90 fast. Called New Orleans, hell shit, I had to dash. Me and Mr. Status doing a hurricane style. What's the Dallas nigga, fuck nigga, with your wild ends, are you spending with your cash? Yeah, yo, I got the fire on me, dog, just to let you know. Yeah, I made it from the streets, graduated plus. Candy paint, nigga said, dog, we do it plus. In the streets, envy me, young nigga trust. Before I leave out the studio, God bless.
850 dog.
Yeah, I'm right chill. Keys on beat, put the beat, man, in my ear. Just back on up, boy. I'm so sophisticated. Cocaine dreams, nigga, what you demonstrating? I caught the crowd, dog. It's like 6 o'clock. Because them bases ride to a fucking Glock. Pull up on them niggas like a nigga ain't nothing. On discussion, yeah, I've seen a nigga head bust like a melon. I did time in Ohio, trying to get it. Man, my cousin called me in and said I'll fly you in.
Had to holler at my dogs who want to spin it in.
850 on my brain, tatted on me, nigga. Trill on my chest, nigga, you can keep it figures. When I pull up with that yappa, bitch, ain't number us. I'm high as fuck, dawg, so I ain't gotta trust. You can keep your gal, cause I got mine. Bitch, fall back, I'm on Bryce time. Caught the pimp game, nigga, you so relentless. My shoes costing more than your interest. On your rate, I had to take a bath. 25 to life, but it don't play.
Gauges, dogs, and blossom dope. The heavyweight slipping like soap on a rope.
Soap on the road.
Dogs and blossom dope. The heavyweight slipping like soap on a rope.
Soap on the road.
Gauges, dogs, gauges, and blossom dope. The heavyweight slipping like soap on a rope.
Rotate, don't so fast when you got the flow. Shit, they all know I pull up in that 80 song. Something that you never seen, 400 zone. I ain't even talking about a different home. I'm so sincere when I pull up in her face. She don't need you dreaming, no, she wanna chase. You can see it, dawg, shit, I keep the Glock. 40 cal, nigga, shit, watch the spot. I know it's in the lean. But when we talk shit, sometimes it's about clean. I'm from the side of town, dawg, you gon' creep. Cause everybody known to keep that fucking heat. You can see the visions, man, we just trying to go. But these newspapers say, man, you can't go. I call the politicians, man, they on some else. But I just pray to the stars trying to keep some else. I had some niggas try to come down and flex on me, but that's a suicide, man, I'm just in the heat. Man, discussion that you wanna talk, take it there. But when you pull down, nigga, shit, I take it there. Chuck Perry had to remind me of something else. Man, he talk good game, but I was nothing else. Shit, from the north side till I go. But this ain't game talk, nigga. Shit, I'm bout hoes. I pull up at the party, man, they all know. Candy everywhere, nigga, with them TVs though. I don't even rap, dog. I don't even talk. My tattoos say everything I'm fucking bout. Kiss my chain, dog. Next year on eBay. Feed me, dog. Different mice, different days. London, dog. Shit, I'm there everywhere. On a plane with Slim, shit, we don't care. Caught the hustle game, man. Shit, New Orleans. Had to fly to see me, Mr. Status like a dream. Yeah, I'm back, man. 2 times plus the screens. We living out here, but we ain't no fiends. Yeah, bitch, I'm right here on the mic. Check me, dog, bitch, it's known as Kryptonite. I'm from the dirty folk, followed by Al. Gears dry, nigga, what you fucking mad? Everybody stopping, nigga, straight Chicago. Man, I pull up with Chicago, man, they got the throttle. I'm in the Porsche, man, like the model. We at the club, man, them hoes want a bottle. Young Bryce up, yeah, I live the life. I lean back on that lady pipe. Yeah, I did it again. Machiavelli love style more than just friends. I had to smoke just to clear my head up today. I don't think my homeboy Kizzo believing today. We gon' make it, baby boy, just ride in the car. I'm sophisticated, nigga, shit, I'm known as a star. I had to switch the game up from the south to the north. Play both sides, dog, just to keep support. With my name in the streets, nothing fucking bad. My face so clean, never hit a drag. You can switch it up, I don't even know where they stopping. Young Bryce, I'm balanced out here, never fucking stopping. Yeah, I'm on the streets, you can check my player card. But these days, dog, man, fuck a player card. Tryna get up in the college and tell to a bitch. Maybe pimp her out to my homeboys who ain't rich. 25 to life, but it don't play.
Cages, Glocks, and blocks of dope. The heavyweight slipping like soap on the road.
Soap on the road.
Glocks and blocks of dope. The heavyweight slipping like soap on the road.
Soap on the road.